Love yours. No such thing. No such thing.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a what's in my suitcase, or what I'm gonna be taking on my trip. So I'm going to Puerto Rico in like 2 weeks, and I'm still preparing my suitcase because I still need to get a few things, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I already hit 100K on TikTok, and I'm super grateful and thankful for all of you guys that have been following me there and supporting me throughout these few months of me doing videos and stuff like that. So first, I want to show you guys a few things I have outside of my suitcase that I've been putting on top because I still have to put them in there. I have these two cases for both of my suitcases. So these two, because these suitcases are from Amazon and they're brand new, and I'm not trying to get them dirty. They're gonna get dirty, but I don't want them to get like super dirty. Two outfits I'm gonna be wearing to go to Puerto Rico and to come back. So I have this shirt from Shein or Shein. It's in a size small, and I'm gonna wear it with just some regular ripped jeans. So I'm trying to be comfortable. These are really stretchy and very comfortable as well. And then I'm wearing this one with some black jeans. This is also from Shein. This little workout zip-up jacket. I might take this one, or I might take my fluffy one because I know it's kind of cold in the airport. Girl, I'm not trying to be cold. So I got my clinical deodorant because, girl, I sweat so freaking much, and the only thing that has been helping me out is this Clinical Secret deodorant. This is not sponsored. I have like 3 other boxes over there because this is how much this works out for me. I have some makeup wipes and these little hair bands, as well as these little lashes. I did a video on these on my TikTok, and then I'm gonna be taking these to Puerto Rico. So before I show you guys everything, I do want to say that I don't have those little bags that a lot of people use for like suitcases. I was gonna get them, but it was just too late for me to order them. They were not gonna come in time. I'm taking these two body mist, Baby Johnson lotion for like bags. I'm taking this gold one, which is super cute. If you guys watch my TikToks, I did a little Puerto Rico outfit inspo video, and I show a few of the bags I'm going to be taking. So I'm taking this one, taking this little brown one, also taking this silver one, this white one, this black one. They're all from Shein. And I have this little bag that I also got from Shein. A lot of the products I got, they're from Shein. And I'm taking 2 perfumes. This is an oil, an Arabian oil, and this is just a candy perfume, which is almost done. That's why I'm taking it. This little container full of my Kylie Jenner perfume. So I don't want to take the whole thing and then mess around and it breaks. I'm taking my bar soap, a little bag full of like makeup. This is like all the makeup I'm taking. I'm not really taking a lot like I usually do. Also taking these lashes just in case I don't put on the like extension lashes. These bags are from Shein. I didn't make a video on it because it wasn't like a lot of things. That's why I didn't make a video on it. But in here I have like my hygiene stuff. So I have this mini loofah. It's like this. I have the CeraVe facial wash, this little scrub for the face, and this other facial wash. I need to take all of that. Got my toothpaste, tiny little scrub I got from Five Below. I got my toothbrush. It's a brand new toothbrush. And then I'm also taking my favorite body wash. I have a new phone case that I'm gonna put on my phone before I leave. Face and body wet wipes, because you never know. So these are from Rainbow. They're super cute, super comfortable. I only wore them once. I got these from Rainbow as well. They're kind of metallic, really cute. Ones are also from Rainbow. I'm not taking too many. Like, I'm taking enough. I could take more, but I'm not taking as many because they have so many stores over there that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go shopping. I got these gold wrap-ups that they're from Shein. I got silver, white, and black. White tube top. They're also from the TikTok shop. I made a video on these as well, and I also uploaded it on my YouTube shorts, so make sure you guys watch that. Shorts. I actually got these in Puerto Rico. These as well. These are from City Trends if I'm not mistaken, but these are like working out shorts. I'm not gonna be working out, but I'm gonna probably put these under my dress and stuff like that, and under my shorts, because I might be on my period. That's why I'm taking so many like tight shorts, some long pant ones, because they're really comfortable, and sometimes it gets kind of windy outside in Puerto Rico. That's why I'm taking this one. Razor container, which I gotta put my razor in. I got this mini skirt that has pants under. I got this from Rainbow, and I'm gonna wear this to the beach with this blue swimsuit I have, which is so freaking cute. So hopefully I do go to the beach and I'm not on my period, so I can wear it, because if not, girl, I'm gonna have to wait till I go to the beach over here in the States, and that's gonna probably take a while. Shein bags really did it for me. It's the only thing that really helped me out, because I don't have the little bags that everybody has. These are like stuff that I'm gonna sleep in. These are like little shorts. I got this from the thrift store a while ago. These are from the TikTok shop. But I feel like the best thing when you're traveling, like no joke, last year I forgot to take PJs and I had to go to the store to go get some because I was not sleeping in jeans. The best thing to do is order a pack of PJs from Amazon or TikTok shop or from Shein. Girl, it's gonna save your life. It's really gonna save your life. It's because it's basically bras. I actually have to take my underwear, which it reminded me. So I have this one. This is the bottom, and it goes with this top. I got it from this one store that resells Amazon products. So pretty sure it's from Amazon or from Shein. You could probably find similar ones. But then I have this one. It's a one piece and it's super cute. It's a Hello Kitty swimsuit. I don't know where she got it from. She just gave it to me brand new. It's actually from Charlotte Russe. The top was, I still got the tag. The top was $10 and the bottom I think was like $8. Yeah, the bottom was $8, which I like that they're separated because some people are like two different sizes. The skirt, which actually in my TikTok video where I show you guys the outfits that I was gonna wear to Puerto Rico, I put this skirt with one of the shirts, but I didn't like it. I did not like it. I'd rather use this for the beach because it's super short and super tight fitting. And I don't think I will wear this like outside for real unless it's the beach, that I could just take it off, go in the water, take pictures or whatever. This one store called Simply 10. This was $10. Top, which I actually got from, I got this top from Charlotte Russe like 2 years ago. And I got this cover up, which looks like a regular square, but you can tie it up so it's kind of like more fitting. So I'm taking the black one and the white one. I got both of these from the TikTok shop, so I'm taking both of them. Old Navy shorts. These Old Navy shorts, which I have to iron. This bodysuit. This is actually from the TikTok shop. It's super cute, super comfortable. I already made a video on this one in particular. It comes with 3, but I'm pretty sure you could get them separate. So make sure you guys check my TikTok out. Most of these clothes are from the TikTok shop. These are from Charlotte Russe. I got these like 2 years ago if I'm not mistaken. With either this orange top. It's kind of basic. This is just like just in case. I got this from Shein if I'm not mistaken. I got this top. I got it from Charlotte Russe. It is a bodysuit as well. So these are kind of like these dress up shorts. I don't know if I'm going to be wearing them in this type of like pattern I'm showing you guys in. It might be in a different pattern depending on how I'm feeling and if I'm on my period. These are from City Trends if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm lying. These are from Diddy Discount. This top is from Forever 21. This was on sale. I got this a few months ago. Super cute, so I'm going to be wearing it with those shorts. I got this from the TikTok shop. I also made a video on this one. It came with this color and also a black one, but I'm pretty sure you can mix and match them. So this is from City Trends. This was $7.99. So I'm wearing this one with this black top. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it, but hopefully I do. I actually have a few videos of me wearing this dress. I don't even know how to put it up. Or like this. So if you guys, well, then I have this top that's from Rainbow, which is the top I wore with that black skirt I showed you guys earlier. So I'm wearing this one instead of with that black skirt with this. It's like a skirt, but like they're pants. Super cute. I feel like it will look good. Then I got these pants from Charlotte Russe. They're super cute and super comfortable. I got from Ross, if I'm not mistaken. Shorts, they're actually like boyfriend shorts. They're really big. Dress that I got from City Trends as well. As you guys can tell, I like to go to City Trends a lot. They have a lot of good sales. I also have a video with this outfit on that I got from Charlotte Russe. It was the last one they had, and it's a size medium. It kind of fits me big, but not too much on that. It looks cute. So I'm gonna be wearing this one. I have a hair appointment as soon as I land on Puerto Rico, like the next morning. So, you know, we need a cute outfit. I don't know which outfit I'm gonna wear because that next day is also my birthday. So we'll see. So I'm wearing this black top. That top is also from the TikTok shop, and the skirt is from Charlotte Russe. Then I have this top that I got from Rainbow. So this top is from Rainbow. It's super cute. It kind of just looks like fabric, but when you wear it, it's super cute. I'm actually wearing a tube top under this because on the side is like just open. These Hollister jeggings, they're jeans, but they're like really stretchy, really comfortable. Probably like my favorite jeans ever. Skirt that I got from the 99-cent store. Super cute, super stretchy. You could probably find a similar one like on Shein or something. And I'm gonna wear it with this bodysuit just like the white one I showed you guys. A lot of like all black outfits, but they're gonna have like different accessories, which is what's gonna make them different. I have this two-piece set I got from City Trends. These are the shorts, and this is the top. By the way, y'all, I didn't get all of this stuff all at once. It was just all like random. I didn't even know that I was gonna go to Puerto Rico yet. Also used to go out, but also for sleeping. So I have these shorts. These two sets are from the TikTok shop as well. You guys are gonna get sick of me saying that. I don't really love the top, but at the same time I kind of do. The material on both the top and the shorts is very soft and fluffy, very comfortable. So I have the black one as well as the gray one. They also came with like a cream color one. I actually took that one to North Carolina when I went, but I didn't wear it, so I still have it there. Next outfit is these white shorts I got from American Eagle with this pink top that I got from the TikTok shop. This white top I got from Simply 10, and it has like a little opening on the chest area. Really cute brown shorts that I got from City Trends as well.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you'll find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke was better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better.
Okay, y'all, so this is one of the outfits that I really like. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this in Puerto Rico or not, but this is something I am gonna be taking. It is this blue dress I got from the TikTok shop, as well as these slides that I got from, or like, I got these sandals from Shein. The purse is from Shein and the accessories are from Shein. Obviously, I will wear like silver hoops or like silver like earrings and like silver jewelry. But I really like how this dress looks. Super cute. The material is super stretchy, but I will probably be scared to wear this out because like if I move wrong, this is gonna be out. If I move wrong, this is gonna go up. So it's like a maybe I might use it, or maybe I might just take pictures and then go back home, because I don't know. But it's super cute though. I really like the outfit. What do you guys think? So this is the next outfit. I am wearing this bodysuit that I got from the TikTok shop, and I got this skirt from City Trends, and then the sandals are the same ones and the purse is the same one, because I'm not gonna be taking so many accessories, y'all, because I'm only gonna be staying for a week. So I try to match everything to like the 4 bags that I got and the few sandals I'm gonna be taking. So other than that, this is like a really basic everyday outfit. I feel like it's super girly in a way, even though it's all black. I try to do like a little accent of silver because I feel like black and silver look so pretty together. So I really like this outfit. What do you guys think? So this is the other outfit. This top is from Rainbow. The pants are from Hollister. The sandals are also from Rainbow. The bracelets are from Shein, and then these are from the 99-cent store. I will also wear like this gold purse with it. It has like a strap to it, so I'm gonna wear the strap with this one. So I'll probably go something like this. It's something simple, and definitely I would say, like, if you're bold enough to wear this without like a shirt under, that's you feel me? But like me, I have a bra under this, and I'll wear like a tube top, like a white tube top or something. So this is the next outfit I have. This is from City Trends. The dress is from City Trends. The sandals are from Shein, and the purse is from Shein, and the accessories are from Shein and the 99-cent store. Everything is super cute. It's very simple. It's like a little calm outfit for the beach, or I don't know, to go out and walk around the mall or something like that. I feel like this outfit is super cute. It's probably like one of my favorites because the dress is like super comfortable, y'all, and like I love this ruffle right here. I'm telling you, if you guys need like really cute like summer outfits, you need to go to City Trends. You guys are sleeping on City Trends. City Trends, Shein, Rainbow. I'm telling y'all, this is so freaking cute. So I really like this one. I'm in love.